Harinacs is Kokuyo's staple-free stapler. At meetings, at school, in the office, at home or anywhere, anyone can bind papers without staples. Kokuyo's Harinacs. There is no staple. Harinacs, 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 Harinacs. Bind papers without staples. Kokuyo's handy-type Harinacs. Just take a hold. Easy to use with one hand. Harinacs will cut 2 slits in the paper, fold the section, and bind the paper. No need to worry about making a mistake because you can check the position through the window. Corner binding and side binding are also possible. Kokuyo employs their original binding hole process. Harinacs, Kokuyo's staple-free stapler. Use Harinacs in the office, at school, for apparel businesses, restaurants, hospitals, and kitchens, anywhere it would be useful. For organizing documents and meeting materials in the office, use the staple-free stapler. Since there is no staple, documents need not be separated for disposal. Simply place in the shredder. There is no staple! Harinacs. A staple-free stapler for organizing recipes in the kitchen, in restaurants, and food factories. The staple-free stapler ensures safety. Harinacs. A staple-free stapler to make decorations for school events. Harinacs. A staple-free stapler for organizing medicines. Because there is no staple and no refills needed, you save money and time. Plus, it's safe to use. Harinacs! Pink, green, white, light blue, black. 5 color variations are available. Kokuyo's staple-free stapler makes papers easy to bind and easy to discard. Harinacs, Kokuyo's staple-free stapler. Kokuyo.